Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get Unlinked application to your Firestick as well as the best codes to use inside that app. It will allow you to jailbreak your Firestick or in other words, to load thousands of apps to your device. All kinds of apps, movie applications, TV shows, adult apps, live TV players and so on. And it doesn't cost a dime. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get Unlinked to your device. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device. There it is, open it, and here in the search bar, start typing Downloader. As you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter whole name of the app. We click on Downloader, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we gotta go to settings. Let's do it right now. Open the settings and go to My Fire TV. Open it. Here we'll have to enable developer options on your device, but on some Fire Sticks and especially on the new Fire Sticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom, for me it says no need, you are already developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it, and here you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Canada right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same amazing deal. Now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta go to the list of apps on your device, and there it is. Open the Downloader. And now it's really important that on the left side menu you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure to click on Home, and then here in that bar we gotta enter a link, which is going to be unlinked.link. So let's enter it together. Once again, it's gonna be unlinked. Dot link. So here's the link, you can see it on your screen right now. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, the link is not going to work. After that, we have to click on Go. And now, while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more content for you. Now, after the website has loaded, we gotta scroll down a bit until you see that big button, which you have to click after you click the like button on this video, of course. So hit the like button and then hit the download APK Android button as well. Now the download of Unlinked should start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then click on install and wait until Unlinked gets installed to your Firestick. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, and this way we'll be able to delete the installation files as we don't need them anymore on your device. So we click on delete and then delete once again. This way we'll get rid of unnecessary files and save you some free space on your Firestick. And that's really important because you don't really have too much of free space on your device anyway. Now we'll have to go to the settings once again. Here they are, open them. Go to My Fire TV. Once again go to developer options, install unknown apps. And this time we need to locate Unlinked here and turn that option on as well. It's a must because we will be using Unlinked to download other applications from the internet. Now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. Scroll down and here at the bottom you'll find Unlinked, which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way Unlinked is always going to be at the very top of your application list and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Once again, you can use the link below the video or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of service for free. Then we open Unlinked finally. And there we'll need to click on add a new library to add a code. So the first code is going to be Firestick as a word. Yep, just enter Firestick right here. Just like that, then you have to click on next and in a couple of moments the library is going to open. Here I had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact applications available inside that app store. But still I can describe to you what kind of apps you are going to find. So there you'll find a lot of movie applications, TV shows applications, all of them are going to be updated and should work fine on any Firestick device. And they'll have the newest content available. Also there are some live TV applications, IPTV players, media players, sports apps, and even some utility apps like VirusTotal or file management applications. So that was the first code of the day. Now let's go back so I could show you even more codes. So click back on your remote, back once again, and click on add a new library. Following code is going to be 6766453 and 7. So once again the code is 67664537. Click on next. Here as previously I had to blur out my screen for the same reason. There you'll find movie applications, live TV players, TV shows applications, a lot of different utility apps which might come in handy on your Firestick, animation apps, anime, alternative app stores, a couple of adult apps, and then again different movie and TV shows applications, which might be unavailable in other app stores. So this code is pretty decent, and they even have some music applications in here as well. So that's awesome. And now let's go back so I could show you a couple more codes. And the next code is going to be everything as a word. Yep, so just enter everything. Here we go, so once again, the code is everything. We enter it as a word and click on next. Now the App Store should open up for us. Yep, there we go. There you'll find loads of movie apps, adult applications, TV shows applications, alternative app stores, web browsers, IPTV players, media players, live sports applications, and stuff like that. The majority of apps in here are updated and should work fine on any Firestick, so this app store is actually truly great, and I'm sure you are going to like it. So today you learned about the best codes that you can use on Unlinked for your Firestick. Enjoy it and see you next time. Bye bye.